Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting video. You guys know how much I love stationery and planning and organization, because you know I have my own Etsy stationery shop, so that's why I love stationery. The lovely girls over at Bloomplanner have sent me a package to unbox for you guys. So without further ado, keep on watching if you want to see what's inside. Okay guys, let's get to opening this box. So this box came all the way from the USA. This is from the Bloomplanner company. It's all the way over in the US. It came from the US. The lovely customs opened it, as we can see this lovely brown tape, so they actually resealed it after they inspected it. Thank you customs for wanting to see what was in my little package. Basically I'm going to do an unboxing here on camera with you guys, show you guys what I received from the lovely Bloomplanner company, and then in another video I will show you how I organize it and how basically how I organize myself on a day-to-day basis, having not just a job, a YouTube channel, a blog, an Etsy shop, and so much, and planning a wedding. So there's a lot of things that I tend to go through and I need to be organized. So with that being said, I need a lot of planners. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So the first thing that it says over here is called Happy Planning, and I really love their packaging. I don't know how I'm gonna like cover this all up, but the packaging is gorgeous. Look at it, it's like pink, blush pink. It's just gorgeous, and I think I covered everything else. You can see, I think. Sorry guys. So basically I'm just going to open it up. I already, obviously for the video, I've opened up from here, and let's see what's inside. So upon opening, there's like a little Bloomplanner like postcard, I guess, and it says, "Yay, your Bloom products are here." So that's exciting. Oh my god, this looks so nice. So on top, everything is bubble wrapped really nicely, which I'm really happy for. So upon opening this, the first thing I see is something for me, an envelope, and oh, it's a really cute thank you card. Oh, that's nice. It's just a thank you card from the Bloom team. How sweet, and it's so nice for them to like give me a nice thank you card. So thank you Bloom team for this lovely package. We've got another postcard here. Let's see if there's anything that I need to share with you guys. Oh, there's hashtags, Plan to Bloom and Bloom Girls, so that's good, that's something nice. And there's all like different products. They've got new products here. They've got a wedding collection, they've got teacher planners, they've got hanging wall calendars and accessories, so that's really cool. So they've got some new products here. Oh, they've got like some little let's see. Well, this is something for me to kind of look at. So hashtag Bloom Girl, that's pretty exciting. So there's some literature for me to read over for the review. Oh, that's exciting. Ooh, they've sent me some extra goodies. I'm excited. Oh, let's see what we have here. Now I'm really excited now. Oh my god. I was not expecting all of this. Wow. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing are these. These are the magnetic bookmarks, set of 3. And I got this, the planner that I've got is this one, which is the palm leaves planner. And these are the other ones that they have. So this is like the florally one, and this is like a more abstract one. So they've got 3 different magnet bookmarks, which is so nice. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Oh my god, what are these? So these are 3 elastic planner bands with pen loops. Aren't those gorgeous? They have a black, silver and a pink. And I think I'll probably use the gold. I think I would use the gold. I don't know. I think the pink would go, but I think I'll probably use the gold. I'm a gold fan, rose gold fan. Look at all these. Okay, now I'm excited. Now guys, I'm excited. Look at all these stickers. Oh my god. I was not expecting all of this. So there are productivity stickers. Look how nice these are. So there's lipsticks, there's Marc Jacobs daisy. I don't know which one this is. Oh, this is the daisy. This is the daisy sticker of the perfume. Look how cute that is. There's a lipstick. This looks like a matte lipstick. There's date nights, me time, friendly time, airplanes, road trip, day off, relax, passports, candles, birthday cakes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And there's more things at the back. So there's different types of stickers at the back. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much fun to decorate. I'm so excited. So that's that one. Then we have holiday stickers. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So holiday stickers, and this for every month. So this from January to December. So that's gonna be fun to use. We have another holiday sticker. We have two different types of holiday stickers. We could do, because this one has 230 stickers and this has 310. So there's two different types of holiday stickers. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting, guys. And then we have two sets of the classic stickers, which basically has like little to-do list, hearts, anything that you do, important work, don't forget stickers, bullet stickers. Let's see what else there is. Coffee stickers, goals, and then there's like lunch, brunch, vacation. This is going to be so much fun to use, guys. I was not expecting all of this, so thank you to Bloom team for sending me this. Oh my god, guys, they sent me 2 diaries, not 1. Oh my god, I've got 2 palm tree planners. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the one I actually was told I was getting, which is the Vision Planner. This is in the academic planner. This is from August all the way to July of next year, and that's what I did want because my planner had finished. So I'm going to actually open it on camera to see what it looks like. And I really like this aesthetic of the palm trees, and I did get a hardbound planner because that's what I like. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, I just bashed myself. So it belongs to some information. Oh, I don't know. You guys are getting glittered. Let's see if I can do it like this. Also, this 2008, 2019. This year's vision. Let's skip to a month, and that's what a month looks like. Let's see. And what about the days? What do the days look like? And the days are like this. So that looks so nice. I'm so excited, guys, to use this. Beautiful. It is a bit bashed, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm seeing loads of dents here. I'm guessing from the other spiral. So the other spiral probably was like really on here, so it's got a lot of dents. And it is a bit dirty, but I think what I like about these hardbounds is you can wipe it all off, so any dirt can literally be wiped off, which is fantastic. So I'm so excited, guys, for this, to actually show you how I actually decorate this one. I did say that the Vision Planner was going to be my YouTube and blogger kind of planner, so that's for me to kind of just make sure I have everything listed on this. Now, since I do have another one, I'm thinking this is one of their soft planners, the soft paperback planners, and this one I think is very similar. Let me see if it's similar to the others. No, this is different. This is a horizontal planner. So this one is actually different than the one I have on the Vision. So this one is a horizontal planner. So I think I would actually use this for other things. I think I'd probably use this for her little papery and my makeup artistry appointments, and also probably my wedding planning and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see a review on this as well, do let me know. What I will do is I will do a review on this, and then we'll do like a planning date, which will be so exciting. We'll plan this out with all the stickers as well as for this one. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. I've never done a proper plan month or something like that, so I'm just so excited to use these and show you how I planned my month with the planner from the Bloom Planner. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you again to Bloom Planner for sending me so many goodies. I was not expecting all these goodies. Again, thank you so much. But are you excited, guys, to see how I'm gonna decorate the S out of this. I can't swear on my channel. So basically this is what it looks like. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the print. I'm so glad they actually sent me the same print for both, because like that I know these are mine. These are my planners. I know 100% that they're mine, and I'm just going to just enjoy decorating them with these stickers and the magnets. The magnets is, oh my god, I've got a magnet for each now. Amazing. And I love how it has baby pink. It's got baby pink inside. I'm so excited. I've never been so excited for a planner. Guys, get ready for a planner date. Literally, you're going to have a fun video on these so soon. And so I thank you for watching this quick, fun, aesthetic, crazy unboxing with me. Unboxing the Bloomplanners. I was not expecting all of this, so thank you again to Bloomplanners. A thumbs up if you enjoy these kind of videos, and if you're excited to see this fun planning date that we're going to have in the near future, literally in a couple of weeks. I'm going to sit down and film this video. I can't wait to film it now. I'm so excited. Give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away.